Hello guys, today we are playing Roblox. Now why should I talk to you, mister? Okay, let's go. I never played this before. It's a key. I got a key. Oh my god, what is that? What is that? What is that? What is that? Oh, okay. I found a cage. Okay. Why is there a ginormous stuff? Hey, oh my god, stop. Don't get me. Guys, I died. So let's try this again. You dog, you don't kill me. God, are you crazy? Guys, subscribe. I got squib. No! You're such a stinky dog. No. Okay, let's try this again, guys. Okay. Let's try speed running. No! This is not speed run. That wasn't speed run, guys. We have to try again. I'm so exhausted. Let's try again. Oh guys, I think I made it. What is this cat doing here? Hi. Oh, I got this cat. Okay, what is this? Okay, a new place. Alright. Okay, I got 10 points. Let's try to get 100. So I have to get that thing like every time. Bro, why is that dog like so big? I only got 10 points and he's trying to kill me. That dog is so evil. No. Oh my god. I almost died. Yeah, I don't see the dog anymore. Please. Yes. Am I in space? How am I actually breathing? What? Where am I supposed to go, man? Where am I supposed to go? Oh, a banana. Okay. No. Guys. Am I in the toilet? What is this? Bro, how did that dog get me? So I have to... No. I have to try again. No. Guys, I think I have to stay on the side. Guys. No. god. I reach it! Yeah! Now I have to go up. Oh my god. I reach. Wait. Am I in an endless loop? Wait. No. It's not an endless loop. Oh my god. I just keep on dying, guys. I keep on dying. Oh my god. No! Don't kill me! No! Please. Please, doggies. Don't kill me. Yeah, have I... Oh my god! What? How can the dog breathe in water? Sucking up water from its nose. Click the subscribe button. Oh! I got you! I got you, Mia. I got you. Here you go. I'll save 2 of your kitties. Okay. Why is there a lot of... Oh, a green key. What am I... Oh, okay. It's to this place. What is this? Last time I saw a purple key and it was the... Wait, what? He said... Bro, I got trolled. Oh my god. I got trolled. I have to go that way, bro. I fall down. These things are slippery. Okay, this is almost impossible. What does this dog want? I don't understand. Oh, bro! There's a giant dog ahead of us. Wait. I didn't get... Why? No. Guys, I'm going to end this video is because I want to go and pee. I want to go and pee, so I'm going to make part 2. Bye-bye.